So a lot of people think cooking when you're camping out, RVing, whatever, has to be difficult. It really doesn't. And one of the things that we really like to do is use this Blackstone grill. It's pretty convenient. They make a 17-inch grill and like a 22-inch grill. We've got the 22, which is pretty good size. But really, the cooking part doesn't have to be hard. You don't need to make some elaborate recipes. Simple meals are good, especially when you have kids, and you know our kids are picky, and so we have to make sure that we choose things that they're going to eat. So tonight, simple meal, and I'll show you more about that in just a second. All right, so here we are beside the beautiful Firehole River. If Kelly will pan around and show you the river. Got some guys back here fly fishing behind us, and notice there's like no one in this picnic area as she pans around. It's like 6:30.
Yeah.
I mean, you should be picnicking in a park like this. So we've got our Blackstone out. It's a 22-inch. I like it for the size. And so all we've got here tonight is something real simple. We've just got some diced potatoes that we're kind of just sauteing on the grill here. And then we have some chicken. We've got a little seasoning, a little chicken seasoning on these right here. Just some chicken tenderloins. And what better than some baked beans to go along with dinner tonight. So it won't be any better than this anywhere. I don't even think President Trump will have a better supper than this. How could he? It's such a beautiful location that we have tonight.
On July 4th, we decided to go into the park and have a picnic. What a great place to spend July 4th, in a great national park. We found a spot right outside of Lamar Valley to grill our steaks, our diced veggies and potatoes on our Blackstone grill. It was delicious. After our picnic, we spontaneously decided to take a ride through the Beartooth Pass. We went through Cook City, and then on the other side of the pass, we also rode through the great little town of Red Lodge, and all the way back through Montana back to our site at Carbella Recreation Site. We enjoyed watching fireworks shoot through the sky as we headed back home to our campsite. What a great day it was to celebrate America on July 4th in Montana.
So where else can you have a snowball fight on July 4th? So that's how we'll celebrate Independence Day today. Kids, what do you think? It's July 4th, right? And it's cold. Yeah, and there's lots of snow on the ground. Imagine how much snow's out here during the wintertime. Yeah, I would imagine so. Throw those snowballs. Oh, you missed, Maddie. You missed. Yep. What a sight. We still have to go up through the top of the pass, which is up here. But the kids wanted to play in the snow, and you might as well let them when you're this far away from home. How many times can you say you get to play in the snow in July if you're from South Carolina? Come on, somebody's got to get somebody. Y'all not getting each other. Oh, she got pelted that time. Whoa, you about busted it. How deep is the snow? Oh, got him in the knee. On the, oh, and Cody busted it. Oh. Hey, there's no timeouts in snowball fights. The altitude got you?
Yeah.
You got altitude sickness? It is a little bit harder to breathe up here.
Oh yeah, a lot.
Whose gloves you got, Maddie? Y'all have one glove each? Oh, got her while she's down making a snowball. So, Cody. Oh, you almost got a cheap shot on Dad. So, what you been doing?
Having a snowball fight with Maddie.
Oh, sorry if the camera was jumpy. Maddie, don't hit the lens, please. So y'all have been having a snowball fight. Oh my goodness, that one got my feet, and that is cold.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. All right, what did you think about the snowball fight here?
Very fun.
Very
We're
fun.
Still going.
Did you ever think that you get to play in the snow in July?
No.
Never.
No.
Aren't you guys glad you came up to the Beartooth Pass?
Yes.
Yeah. You wanted to turn around and go play in the creek, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you had to trust somebody, right?
I broke my snowball.
Because I knew snow. Oh no, you broke your snowball.